Hello friends, this really should be a post instead of a video, but nobody sees my posts in the community tab, so I'll do both. And who knows, maybe some aliens will reach my new channel and subscribe. My new channel is called Anecdotes I Remember. Here I will be telling some stories in vlog style about some real anecdotes that have happened to me and others. I am not a motivational guru, so you won't get any of that. This is only for entertainment. However, in one video or the other, I might have some message or lesson. I'm sure you all are very busy people, but I need your help. Starting off in YouTube nowadays has got very difficult. So I want to ask you to please visit my channel and watch my first video. If you like it, please subscribe and share as much as you can. Now, if you don't like it, it won't hurt you to subscribe and share it. And maybe you'll like the next one, which I will be uploading in a week. I assure you, I can give you much more than a FIFA Peace Prize for your help. I can give you, thank you very much.